Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. Today I want to show you guys this Razor electric scooter. I've been looking around for a bunch of electric bikes, you know, the one where you pedal, and if you don't want to pedal, you just kind of leave it on automatic mode and it runs. Well, this Razor scooter here doesn't have a pedal. All it has is just you crank and it goes. Very simple to use. And I found this thing online. It was at a good price, and they had an adult sitting on it. It is one of the very few that actually was priced correctly and had like a 500-watt motor on it. And so I gave this a try. Was really surprised at how good this thing is. It comes with a little basket here, which I didn't think I was going to use at all, to be honest with you, but ever since I've gotten it, it hasn't came off of the bike at all. It's very useful. Really like this. Been using it quite a bit. Actually, we're using it right now just to throw stuff in here. The other thing is the seat. The seat is very comfortable. It's actually one of the most comfortable seats that I have sat on a bike. And I have a few bikes, electric bikes and things like that too. Easy to use. I think I mentioned that, but literally you turn on the power and you just twist the handle to go. That's it. Very easy to use. The brake is very responsive. You know, it's one of those where it almost brakes on a dime. So I like the brakes a lot. And obviously my most favorite thing on this bike is the wooden platform on there. This thing actually is really nice. I can actually sit on here and actually have my child, he's about 12-year-old, stand in front of it. And it works great. It was able to handle it. The wheels, the air tire. Now these are very important because this is where you can actually run on grass and it's still, you know, it won't knock you over. So these wheels are actually pretty nice. Air-filled tired. They're just regular tires where you just, if it has a nail in it or something, you can just buy replacements and just change the tubing out. Very easy to do that, just a regular bike. But yeah, it charges. I leave it charged overnight, and it just works the next morning. But yeah, that is the bike right there. Hope you guys like this little overviews, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.